Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell on Zalando. How to sell on Zalando. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna have to ensure that you meet the basic requirements before you start to sell on Zalando. So before applying, make sure you have a registered business. Your company must be officially registered, an online store. You should have an operational e-commerce website, and product categories. Your product should fall into categories like clothing, shoes, footwear, or accessories, and customer service standards, where you get to offer free delivery and a 100-day return policy. So the second step is to apply to the Zalando partner program. So visit the Zalando partner portal. Just go to partner.zalando.com and fill out the application form. Then include details about your business, product categories, and content information. I'm going to go over that again. Open any website of your choice and type in partner.zalando.com and fill out the application form. Include details about your business, product categories, and content information. And of course, after your application is reviewed, you'll need to submit your EAN code to ensure each product has a valid European article number. And your product compliance, products must be correctly labeled in compliance with EU regulations. And KYC documents, you need to submit your know your customer document as per the German Money Laundering Act. Likewise, you need to choose your integrated method. Decide how you will integrate your products with Zalando. For direct API integration, connect your inventory directly to Zalando's API. And for third-party integrators, use platforms like Kungo or Channel Engine for integration. Then onboard your product. Upload product information, ensuring high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Likewise, ensure all listings meet Zalando's content and image guidelines. Then choose how you handle order fulfillment. For self-fulfillment, you're gonna have to choose how you manage storage, packing, and shipping yourself. For Zalando Fulfillment Solutions, which is the ZFS, you need to let Zalando handle warehousing and logistics. Once everything is set, your product will be live in Zalando. Monitor sales, manage orders, and analyze performance through the Z Direct portal. Set competitive prices to attract customers. Maintain high standards to build trust and encourage repeat business. Consider using Zalando marketing services to boost visibility. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.